Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings immediately and navigating to Security or Parental Controls. This gets you to the control panel where changes occur. Once there, make sure you have the administrator PIN or password because you'll need it to authenticate. If you don't know the code, pause and reset it via the account owner email or recovery option. Make these checks now so you don't interrupt the flow. Being prepared speeds the process and prevents accidental lockouts. You enter the admin PIN or password to unlock the parental controls interface. This confirms you have permission to change settings. Once authenticated, navigate to the exact device or user profile that has the restriction. Profile-level locks differ from device-level locks, so check both. Then locate the switch or button labeled Disable, Off, or Remove and select it. Make sure to apply or save changes, otherwise the setting may revert. This step removes the enforcement, while keeping you confirm and save the new setting, then restart the device if the system requests it. Reboots ensure the change takes effect across apps. After restart, test by opening content that was blocked to verify success. If the lock persists, check for network-level filters on your router or parental apps tied to the account. They can override device settings. As a quick fix, reset the admin PIN through the account recovery flow, then repeat disabling steps to clear stubborn locks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.